Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour. Just turn my lights on. With pearl paints. Amsterdam pearl paints. They come in pearl yellow, pearl green, pearl blue, red and violet. And I will use a split cup, adjustable split cup that we designed together with Fluid Art Co. And it will be on sale hopefully soon on their website. And I will use it's a 6-chamber cup, it's adjustable, you can adjust your chambers. I did a full tutorial that I will link about this cup live few month 2 ago, I don't know. So what I will do is I will pour some of those pearls on the bottom of my cup, and then I will cover them with black and do a split cup pour. Red, yellow, and my pouring medium today is 60% Elmer's Glue All, 40% water, and mix 1:1 with your paints. I never done a split cup with the glue pouring medium, so kind of interested how it will look like. Yellow, blue, and the last one will be violet. Okay, and those pearl paints are all white when they are wet, mixed with pouring medium, and they show the most on the black, so that's why I will cover this with some oxide black by Amsterdam, all the chambers. Because this black will pour out first and then the pearls, and I hope that they will show nicely at the end with some black for the contrast. So at first it will be just black, and then the colors will start to come out, but they will be just white. I like those pearl paints because it's 2 times a surprise, you know. Once when you pour, because it's always a little bit of surprise factor when your acrylic pours, and the other surprise when those pearl paints dry, because they dry beautiful true to their colors. So I will just start. As I said, this will be just black, and at the same time it will be my kind of a flow extender before the colors will start popping through. So, but they kind of already create some shady shades, so pretty sure that it will look much better, like if I would just add a flow extender. And I will just traveling across. As I said, because this is all white for now, I'm really curious which colors are here. Okay. I will go to this corner first. And don't forget, this is not white. Definitely different to pour with glue pouring medium. I believe that I would have to have my paints a little thicker, but kind of interested how this will dry, because I don't know which colors are where. I see a little bit of shades, but not enough. No. We can see that something will happen, but we don't know why. So here is a little blue or green, I believe blue. Some red probably there, and some violet there, some yellow here maybe. So I can't wait to see what the pearls will look like when they dry, so stay tuned. So here are the dried results. Oh, I definitely should have mixed my colors thicker for this with the glue, because I'm not used to the glue pouring medium and I didn't kind of think about it. But I kind of like it. I'm not a fan of it, but not bad. I just have still these paints mixed with glue, so probably it would be better for me to do some flower dips, not the split cup with this pouring medium, but I just want to try. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!